In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot to access the automation workflows that are crucial for managing and streamlining your business processes efficiently. Stick with me for the next few minutes as I guide you step by step through this process. First, let's get started by going to the HubSpot user guide. Opening your preferred web browser, you'll need to type in the URL provided above, which directs you straight to the HubSpot portal. Once you're there, you'll be granted access to the wealth of information and tools that HubSpot offers, empowering you to enhance your organization's workflow management. Once you've reached the HubSpot user guide page, the first action you'll want to take is to locate the automation section. Now, in HubSpot, automation is the heart of creating a streamlined business structure, allowing you to save time and reduce manual errors. You're going to find a menu or an icon that says Automation. It's often prominent and easy to access on the user interface, designed to facilitate your navigation. So go ahead and click on that Automation tab. This action transports you into the core HubSpot automation tools, creating a transformative experience in which your processes can become seamless. The visual layout is designed to make your workflow setup intuitive and user-friendly. As you explore this section, you'll notice several features aimed at providing a vast array of automation possibilities. Next on our journey is to focus on the Workflows option within the Automation section. Clicking on Workflows introduces you to the engine of automation, where the magic truly happens. HubSpot workflows allow you to establish a series of actions to carry out a task automatically. These workflows can be as simple or complex as you need, adapting to various scenarios tailored to your specific business needs. Once you're inside the Workflows section, it's as if you've unlocked a whole new realm of possibilities. Here, you have the freedom to either create new workflows from scratch or modify existing ones. Each workflow can be customized to trigger automatically based on certain conditions you set, such as time triggers, user interactions, or specific dates. The goal is to automate repetitive tasks, leaving you and your team with more time to handle strategic priorities that require human oversight. To wrap it all together, successfully navigating through the HubSpot user guide to access automation and workflows will undoubtedly enhance your ability to automate routine tasks and optimize your business processes. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in utilizing HubSpot's powerful automation features. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to maximize your HubSpot experience. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!